Hey my friends, what's going on? It's your boy Keder on a beautiful day, my friend. So in this video today, guys, we're gonna be talking about a strategy for you to use to actually make money off Instagram, building a quick brand. I'm gonna show you a quick strategy on how to do it. So this is gonna be massive. If it's your first time on my channel, definitely drop a comment down below. Let me know if it's your first time. Also, if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think. Definitely welcome your feedback. I'm gonna jump into the computer. I know some of you that follow my channel already. I haven't dropped a video in a while. I've been in the lab. I've been working. I got so much stuff to share with you guys. It's gonna be amazing. So stay locked in. Also join my Facebook group. It's a free Facebook group. I'll show you different strategies. What I've been learning in the last year and a half that has been changing my life and so many of my students and other people. So I look forward to seeing you inside of the group. Let's jump into the computer, show you the strategy for today. Okay, we are now in my computer. And remember, the strategy that I'm gonna teach you, this is something you can use to make $100 to $200 a day. And me, as you will see, I don't do it every day, but it is something you can actually do every day and scale up because I have other businesses that I do. So I don't really focus on that, but I'm showing you strategies that you can actually do and work. Like this is some of my other businesses. I have made $528 today just on automation, 13K in the last 7 days. So this is not the same business model. With this business model, what we are doing, guys, we're going to a website named Etsy. We're doing what's called, many people know drop shipping, where you go get stuff. Me, I call this drop download. This is where you actually get the download, you get the downloadable files, and people will buy them from you. So if you go on Etsy, you'll see people has what's called a bunch of SVG files, right? You can buy them. SVG for crickets. So you can see there's a bunch of different ones here. There's holidays coming up like Christmas and stuff like that. People usually put these on t-shirts, on mugs and different things. You can use them for that, right? So what we do now is just come here. I'm gonna buy this one for 99 cents and we're gonna mark up the price just like drop shipping. Drop shipping, you go to AliExpress, you go to a website, you buy the product, you mark up the price, you use Facebook ads, you get traffic to it. Well, with this strategy, I'm not even using Facebook ads, but you could, but I'm not. I'm gonna show you another way you can actually do it like myself where I don't use Facebook ads. So what I do here, you're gonna need a Shopify store. Actually do it on Shopify. So let's go on Shopify. I'm gonna log in into the store that I'm currently doing it. You can see everything is live. Again, if you wanna learn how I'm using all the strategy, be sure to join my Facebook group. It's called the Cash Flow Strategist. I'm gonna have an academy in there where I teach you more strategy, and it's free. It's free. You go ahead and join the group for free. I've been learning so many different stuff and I test them, make sure they work before I bring them to you. I'm gonna show you here. As you can see, I have made no sale today, right? Because I'm not promoting it today. So let's take the month, for example. This month, as you can see, you will see if you look over here, you will see on the days that I promote. Like, this day I promoted, this day I promoted. You can see it varies. You make $100 just pushing it a day or more. You can see on the days that I promote, I make money, like when I focus on it. But because I have other businesses, obviously I don't focus on this stuff. But if you do, you can actually make a lot of money doing it. So let's go through the process. I'll go on Etsy. Let's see if they have any update. Oh, cool. See, what I do on my computer, I create a bookmark file, and then I just find different SVG that people would be interested in. So I save them in a folder. Let's go to Etsy store. You can see there's a bunch of different ones that I actually want to buy, and I could put them on t-shirt. I could put them on different things that people buy. You can see these are different Star Wars, $4, all of that, right? So we're gonna mark up the price. So let's go to there. Since I see I have a notification update, I'm actually gonna get this one. I don't know if it's breast cancer month when I'm making this video, but obviously this one is about breast cancer, not breath cancer. Breast cancer, right? This is about breast cancer. I'm guessing breast cancer SVG. Right? A lot of people are very dear. This subject is very dear to them, and they might want to put that on t-shirts, on mugs, on files, and different things. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna sell that. So I'm gonna buy it for $2.97 because right now it's actually on sale. You save $6. Let's buy this for $2.97, and we're gonna mark up the price at $9. So easy to buy it. I'm gonna click on buy it now. Just buy it through my PayPal. And then after we buy it, we're gonna put it on our store, and we're gonna go ahead and put it on our store, and we're gonna sell it for like $12. So we buy it for $2.99, $2.96, $3. We're gonna mark it up 3 times the value. Okay, so let me just go ahead and pay for it. So we're gonna buy it $2.96. That's how much it's gonna cost me to buy this. Okay, we got it, baby. Are you excited? This is legit where you guys can make money, really, if you follow this. Like, you know, a lot of time people want training that's like long, overbearing, not showing you the stuff, talking a lot. This is me just sharing you exactly what you could do to make money right now. Easy process. You can set up a Shopify store and then just do what I call drop download. Okay, now they're gonna download this. I'm gonna view files now. It's gonna give me access to download it. Breast cancer, boo 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 boo, and we're gonna download it. Boom. All right, so it should download it. Once I have it download now, what I could do, I'm gonna put the files and then I'm gonna upload that file. I'm gonna upload those files on my Shopify store, put them out there, and then now this is where it becomes very important. It's traffic. Traffic. This is where you make the most money if you can get that part situated. Now, what you could do in the beginning, you can find people. Like, this is my own page, right? This page is my own page on Instagram, right? You can build a page where you can get traffic. You can see some of my posts here are getting thousands of views. Like this one, 22,000. This one got 50,000 people that seen it. But I built this page for free. You can build one for free, or if you want to do the strategy without having to build one, you can just go find people that has different eyeballs in a niche. If your niche is about breast cancer, like this one's about breast cancer, I can go find people that has breast cancer walk or different things. This is in a specific niche for files, SVG and stuff like that, crickets and stuff like that. So I build it over time, which if you want to build it over time, you just have to do 2 or 3 posts every single day, tagging different people that's in that niche, do a little research, and then you should be good to go. But in the meanwhile, if you don't want to do that, you can just find someone, pay them $30 and they'll post it for $20, $30. They post it for you on their page and you make $100, $300. Doesn't matter how much you make. You can do the swipe up, because once you have 10,000 followers, as you can see in this page, we have over 40,000 followers already. You can do a swipe up. When they do the swipe up, it will send them directly to the link on your page. So now if I go on my page now, let's go ahead and look at products. We're gonna go ahead and do a bundle. So I'm gonna put all my products on there as a bundle. So since I have a few other ones that's already on there, that's already marked up, you can see the price of this one is marked up. It's at $9. So I probably bought this one for $1.99, $9, $10. So you make $8 every time someone buy it. But then you can have like 10, 20, 100 people. It depends how big your page is or how big the page you're gonna post it on is. You can make $200, $300 every day. Just go buy one, download it, upload it on your page, and then you boom, ready to go. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm just gonna duplicate this so I don't have to rewrite everything. And we're gonna just call this bundle breast cancer awareness. Breast cancer awareness bundle. Boom, boom, boom. We're gonna duplicate everything, copy, duplicate. Now everything is gonna pop up on the page except for the pictures, because we're gonna put the pictures. So I don't know how many thousands in this one, but let's just say 25 or 50 files. I'll check again before I post it on the page, but I'm just gonna copy this, put it here because it's an instant download. So they're gonna get, yeah, there you go. They're gonna get 50 files, instant download. Hopefully it's more. I'm gonna check to see if it's more, and then after that I'm just gonna upload the pictures. Now with the pictures, a lot of the time you can grab those pictures from Etsy. See if I can just save those images, or you can make your own pictures. Me, what I do, I create my own pictures. Like I would just take it to, in this video, I don't want to make this video too long showing you picture editing, so I'm just gonna use the picture that's on there.
But for the most part, if you look at my store, go back. All right, so I'm just gonna upload the one that I have, and then you can see the other one some other time. So let's see if I can upload this. All right, so now there you go. It's already on there. You're gonna save it. Once you save it now, what you're gonna need to do is when the customer buy, they need to receive the files. So the files that you get, you're gonna, put them in a folder and zip the folder, and then you're gonna need an app from Shopify called Download App. Unavailable on all channels. So I need to make it available in the store. Let me go ahead and make it available. Make it available on the online store. If you want to make it available for Instagram, you can. If you plug in your Instagram and other places, we're gonna go and upload them. And then what we're gonna do is to upload the file that the customer will download once they buy the bundle. Okay, so I'm gonna upload all of these files here. You're gonna go up in there, and then boom. Once that's uploaded, this is the file they're gonna see like when they're on the store and stuff like that. And then the last one that we're gonna do is to put them on there. When they finish, they can just download. So let me just save that real quick. It's already saved. Okay, next thing I'm gonna do right now is to click on more action. This is the app you're gonna need for the store. You download this app. It's called Digital Attachment, Digital Downloads. I think that's the name. And what we're gonna do is after the customer pay, because remember we're charging them $9 for this right now. So after they pay, they're gonna get access to all the files. So those are the files that's inside of there. So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna zip the file, just like the zip one that we got. We're gonna send the zip, upload the zip that they receive the zip file whenever they actually finish purchase. So let me move that, and then we're gonna, okay, inside of the zip file, there's a few other files that I need to have. Okay, that this is for my customers when they bought it, so when they buy it, so that they can get access to something that tells them what to do. And then what we're gonna do, we're just gonna go ahead and zip those files. For you to do that, you just click on compress. I think other system, it might say zip. I'm gonna change the name to breast cancer file. And that's gonna be the file. Once I put this file up right there, I'm gonna upload the file for $9.99. So that's gonna be a file that they can just get for $9.99. That's it, and you'll be good to go. So we're gonna get the breast cancer file. We're gonna upload that file. All right, so that's gonna be the file. Once they have it here, they'll be able to download it once they buy it. So now all I just need is the link to it, and then just make a quick post. So I'm gonna go on the page right now. I'm gonna make a post on there, and I'm gonna make a swipe up post. And then you can see previous posts that I've done. This is where I was selling a file. There's like 43,000, 13,000 files. And this was for $29. I got a bunch of people that purchased it. You can see, so you can run this thing every other week. You can see I don't do it every day, but sometimes once in a week I do it and I sell those files, and it's pretty good. It's a pretty good way for you to make extra income. You don't have to outsource anything. There's no sourcing. There's no products. If you don't have a page yet, you can reach out to me. If you want to do the same strategy, then I can just charge you a fee, and I can post it for you and send you some sort of traffic. Also, find some other people in your niche to do the same thing. But anyway, if you like the content, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Drop a comment. Let me know what's up. Be sure to check out the Cash Flow Strategist group, okay, and the Cash Flow Strategist Academy if you want to learn more stuff.
All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. So definitely join our Facebook group where you can stay locked in, get more information into what I'm doing, where we stay locked in every day, sharing different strategy. And yeah, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. If you have anything for me. All right, I'll see you guys on the next video. See you guys later. Click on my face to subscribe. Click on my other video here to watch another one. All right, see you inside.